A faceless historical channel called Weirdward Bound is quietly pulling millions of views and massive ad revenue with 30-minute documentaries, and almost nobody realizes how systematically easy their exact format is to replicate. They don't film original footage, they don't show their face, and they don't write complex history textbooks. They take one uncomfortable, forgotten problem from the past, connect it to a massive modern shift, and tell it with cinematic, photoreal visuals. Today, I am showing you the complete end-to-end production workflow to clone this exact documentary style from scratch using a set of master prompts and free AI tools. The best part about this entire system is that you are not locked into pre-modern history. You can niche bend this exact framework into true crime, forgotten corporate scandals, bizarre architectural failures, aviation disasters, or even archaic medical experiments. The underlying psychology that keeps viewers glued to the screen for 30 minutes is the domino thesis, taking a microscopic, overlooked event and tracing its chaotic chain reaction into a massive modern consequence. As long as you keep that core storytelling engine, you can adapt this to virtually any niche you want to dominate. Phase 1 is where everything begins: ideation. You cannot write a 30-minute script without a validated, high-retention concept. We take our ideation master prompt, drop it into ChatGPT, and select our niche angle. In seconds, it generates 20 high-converting video concepts mapped to proven title archetypes, complete with high-stakes hooks and thumbnail concepts. You pick the concept that hits the strongest curiosity trigger, and now you have your locked title, core micro-problem, and thesis statement ready to go. Phase 2 is turning that exact concept into a broadcast-quality voiceover. Most people fail here because they write dry, robotic Wikipedia summaries. To get that signature documentary cadence, we open a new chat, paste our script writing master prompt, and plug in the winning title and micro-problem we just generated in step 1. ChatGPT immediately structures a full 20 to 30-minute script across an 8-act framework. It sets up an anti-heroic micro-problem, introduces the brutal daily reality of the situation, reveals the accidental turning point, and finishes with a full-circle paradox. Once your voiceover is written, you need visuals that match that cinematic weight. Instead of generic stock photos, we need hyper-realistic, gritty scenes for every single line of the script. To do this without losing quality or getting overwhelmed, we run our visual workflow master prompt in ChatGPT. This prompt analyzes your script and breaks it down into batches of 20 precise visual beats. For every sentence, it outputs 2 things: an ultra-detailed text-to-image prompt and a physics-accurate image-to-video motion prompt directly beneath it. Doing this in batches of 20 ensures the AI never rushes or skips fine details like 35mm film textures, dramatic lighting, and authentic environmental grime. Now comes generating the images, and you have 2 great options to test. First is Meta AI, which gives you fast, high-quality, photorealistic renders with 0 watermarks. The second option is Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow. Nano Banana delivers incredible textures, skin pores, and dramatic cinematic depth, but keep in mind that the outputs inside Google Flow come with a small watermark that you will need to crop or edit out later. Now copy the first image prompt and paste into Meta AI. It's pretty fast, so you will get the image in no time. Now look at this amazing result. Now do the same in Google Flow with Nano Banana 2 and compare both side by side using the exact prompts from your batch, and pick whichever generator captures the rawest realism for that specific scene. Once you have your still images, you need to bring them to life. For this, I will use VEO 3.1 inside Google Flow, and I will also show you the same result with Vibes AI, which is Meta AI, but with a different name. Now in Google Flow, select Video Mode, then VEO 3.1 Lite model, and just select your generated image and click Animate. Take the image to video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste into Google Flow. VEO 3.1 handles historical physics and subtle camera movements like slow push-ins, atmospheric dust drift, and natural subject motion without warping the frame or turning the footage into uncanny CGI. Now do the same in Vibes AI. Take the same image and animate it. Now we will take a look at the results. Now Vibes AI. And now, here is the final documentary side-by-side.
In 1666, in London, a baker woke up in the middle of the night because his house was burning. This was not supposed to be a historic moment. Thomas Farner was not an inventor. He wasn't trying to redesign the city. He wasn't trying to change insurance, architecture, or government. He was a baker. His problem was much smaller. There was a fire in his house, and he needed to get his family out. His family escaped. One maidservant did not. And normally that would have been the end of the story.
Now you have a broadcast-ready documentary ready to publish. I have packaged all of these master prompts, the ideation engine, the 8-act script writer, the niche bending framework, and the batch visual director and dropped them completely free inside my Discord server. The link is right down in the description. Join the community, grab the prompts, plug them in, and start building your channel today. And I will see you in the next one.